Welcome! In this video, we will explain the factors that affect the productivity of both camera PAT and drone PAT teams. We will define the teams, show a clear diagram, and then walk through the factors step by step. At the end, we will do a short recap, so the big ideas stay clear. First, let's define our two teams. A camera PAT team focuses on ground-based camera operations. A drone PAT team focuses on aerial filming or data capture with drones. Both teams follow similar project workflows, but each has unique constraints. Let's draw them side by side. Now, let's list the shared factors that affect productivity for both teams. These are the common elements that matter no matter which kind of PAT team you have. We'll build the list one item at a time. First, project planning. Second, crew skill and experience. Third, equipment readiness. Fourth, environmental conditions like light and weather. Fifth, data management and file organization. Sixth, communication and safety protocols. Now, let's add the camera PAT specific factors. These are elements that especially affect ground-based camera teams. We'll list them one by one. First, tripod or rig stability. If the camera shakes, you lose quality and time. Second, lens changes and focus control. Swapping lenses slows down production if it is not organized. Third, lighting control. Camera teams often need extra lights or reflectors. Fourth, camera movement planning, like tracking shots and dolly paths. Next, let's add the drone PAT specific factors. These are special constraints that affect aerial productivity. We'll again list them one by one. First, airspace rules and permissions. If you need clearance that can limit flight time. Second, battery life. Drones can only fly for a limited time per battery. Third, wind and weather sensitivity. Strong winds reduce stability and force delays. Fourth, navigation and signal strength. GPS loss or signal interference slows work. Let's recap the big idea. Both camera and drone PAT teams depend on planning, skilled crews, ready equipment, safe conditions, and clean data workflow. Camera teams add constraints like lighting, focus, and smooth movement. Drone teams add constraints like airspace rules, battery limits, wind, and GPS. If you manage these factors well, you maximize productivity and reduce delays. Thanks for watching, and great job staying focused through the whole lesson.